Okay, good afternoon. It's February 7th, 2023, and today really we just had a range day. Some news item, I think in here spiked it, and we dropped, sold off below overnight lows, and then we had a spike in channel just now. A lot can change between now, which we have 47 minutes until market close. So a lot can change, but here's how I saw it. There might be something in this spike in channel that I didn't see first time looking at it, but let's check it out. So um, 5 o'clock comes in right about here, and you just don't get a setup for a failure in here, even though this looks like a failure. This is actually a second entry short, but um, it wasn't clear what was happening. It was just a range at that point. So anyway, we continued to sell off until market open, and it looks like we're getting ready for a reversal. Just prices chopping back and forth. I don't see anything in here that I like really. Prices are just ranging, and this is just not my style to take trades in here. Um, and unfortunately, you don't get a setup for a reversal. I think technically you have a second entry long right here, but this looks like a double top to me. And so I should mark this because it's also a breakout pullback, but it's just not the greatest setup. And we make this leg up. That looks like two measured legs to me. So it comes up a little short. And then we go into this range. Probably draw something like that. This is too congested. I don't like anything in here. And we get a breakout. You can see a little breakout pullback. I don't like that, even though that looks like that breakout pullback is a failed second entry long. I don't like that. It doesn't touch the EMA. Then we find some support down here, and at that news item, we just rock it up. And I would look at this as a double bottom, although it's really not. So this looks like the failure to me. I think you can take this, but technically you could take this one too. So I'll just move that right there. But that is a reversal. We're looking for uh, a new high on this channel up. And we get it right there, sells off a little, but then it keeps going. Technically, that's second entry long, but that's too far from the EMA for my liking. We get a break. We start to go sideways. And unfortunately, there's nothing in here. So we get two legs up to a new high, slows down, and it starts to reverse. By the way, you can see we have a break of this channel and a move to a new high right here at the measured move of the range. So with a lot of room back to the EMA, maybe you take that, but that'd be really aggressive. But you can see plenty of people did take their profits right there. So we had a break and two legs up. So this kind of looks like a second entry. I think if you were going for 4 ticks, you would have got out. But if you were going for 8, you would not have got out. And that's why you got to be careful after the break and a move to a new high. This isn't off of any trend line. So don't get caught in that stuff. So we formed this channel down. Actually, this is a second entry short, but that's super aggressive just because of how strong the move up was. I don't think you want to take a subpar setup like that, but it is a second entry. Then you get this lower high, but you're going into the lows. And you come down here, you get a second entry short, but it's sideways. And then we get this real strong sell-off, bounce at the overnight highs, and you get a first entry, second entry short off of the EMA and the trend channel. But I'm thinking maybe this would be like a two-tiered channel, and so you might expect prices to pull back way back here. But I don't know. I don't know. If you went for 4 ticks here, I think that's all you got. And this is really sideways too, so you got to be careful. That looks like one leg up, so you should expect another leg up, and that's what happens. Come down here. You get a second entry. This looks good, but not off the trend channel. Signal bar closes above the EMA, so get this leg down, break and move to a new low, and we make a double bottom right here, and we get a reversal pattern. And I mean, it looks like a reversal pattern, but technically you only have one. Like, this is your swing low. So the reason I marked it blue is because it's also a second entry long. That gets you a nice move, but then it sells off. It's probably just two measured moves. Basically, you can see that. Sells off, test this support level again, and test it once, test it a second time. You get this super bullish bar. I like that in real time. And if you don't like that, wait on the reversal and you get it in a nice signal bar. And unfortunately, they stop you out at break even before taking this thing way higher. And we form this spike up and channel. And yeah, unfortunately, I just don't see anything in all of this. We'll take a look at it. No. Very sideways. Slight overshoot leads to the break. And then you get a failure right there. I like that one. That's because that's some bullish momentum. This is a strong move up. It bounced off the trend channel. It bounced off the EMA, so I like that one. You can see a lot of people are liking this move. So that's how I saw it today. Range day, heavy volatility from the news item. So I'll be back tomorrow. I hope everyone had a great day.